Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings. It took SPY 10 minutes to move more than it did for over 6 hours and 20 minutes. That's the topic of tonight's stock market technical analysis. And we have a feature we have been meaning to share with you from Webull called namely Volume Analysis. How it's worked out on this very SPY trade today, we shall reveal in a few minutes. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and dive in. All right, very quickly on here. So stock market technical analysis for Friday. I wish we were. Friday will be closed. So today is Wednesday, December the 23rd. We just finished literally the market close about just an hour ago or so thereabout, especially for SPY trading. But before we go to SPY, wish that we traded this morning. If you were with us in pre-market, if you were not, our pre-market analysis live trading show, it's at 8:40 Eastern every day, every weekday. So tomorrow, though we have half-day trading, we will be on as well. So this one gap this morning, JD, that's what we're looking at. You're looking at the 15-minute chart of JD on TradingView, and the calls initially went and provided some gain that some of our traders actually they use greatly. So let's say, for instance, here we can show you. Can we show that? Just looking at my screen on here to be able to bring you the winners. A trader says that within 10 minutes, my Ganser trade printed. Okay, instead of me reading, can we bring that here? Oops, I'm struggling with the screen. Sorry about that. So this is it here. So within 10 minutes, now I cannot read the text. I can just see the buy and sell. So within 10 minutes, my Ganser trade printed 300%. My mistake bought on one contract each. Yeah. So that's something that for us, we have been coaching the trader in. Literally, this is 15 minutes. So let's just show you what that trader meant here. So from entry, literally the second 5-minute candle jumped from 85.48 all the way to 87 something. So for us, we recommended the 88 calls as part of the chocolate gangster. So they provided again between 200, but you needed to be fast to get them. And then toward the end of the day, for us, we spotted actually this reversal trend on here. It was nice. It didn't pay as much as maybe the 200%, but definitely the move was substantial. So that led us into setting up for tomorrow. So tomorrow we can show you what we aim to trade tomorrow. We share that with our traders. So for us, we took this trade on here, the December 24th JD. What time was it? 11:24 Pacific. That's 2:24 Eastern time. And for 33 cents, they went to 43, maybe 45, a little bit before the market starts selling off. So we will be looking for that tomorrow. They close at 85, whatever, 85.4 or something. So let's say we open in the money tomorrow. That would be nice on there on JD. So obviously we strangle it as we usually do as for hedge. All right, so that was that. And then we get involved on Wednesdays. If you don't know by now, we have a strategy that we like on SPY on expiration day, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursday tomorrow, because tomorrow it's the last day of the week, right? There's no Friday. So this one here, oh boy, did it do a number on which actually, in order to showcase this, let me bring because that option chart is still available. So the option chart for the 369, we alerted our traders in our updates. Where was it? This is it here. Where was it? Yep. Waiting on a flush, an hour toward the close. So waiting for a flush with 369 puts on hand expiring today. Oh boy, little did I know that a flush would be coming. Let me show you the chart of those 369 puts. Yeah, this is how we get a chart, a chart of the option here at Successful Trading. We have videos on this channel on how to do that if you are not familiar with that. This is it, folks. You see this on here? This is all sideways. So 3 o'clock when I say that is this candle. So 31 cents, 46 cents, thereabout. They are just, and then a head fake here, they took it to 24 cents, and then before you know, a rip. Let me show the 5 minutes, but each candle on here, that's where you will. But even then, it's literally the last 2 candles of the day. Yeah. From 21 cents on here So the strategy for us that we have advised all along, it's really, it won't have worked to the T today. They took it late, but hey, if you have these strangles, you could have used, alternatively, you could have done this, trading the puts today and hedging with the calls for tomorrow, because this is a unique case where SPY had back-to-back days of expiration. That's what for us we were using. Anytime that we find ourselves in that scenario, we will always take advantage of that, because then we are paying one of the premium cheaper than the other one by offsetting it. So this trade works comfortably. Even after this candle, right? If you took the 368 puts, which we did at the time, look how far they went. They paid nicely as well. So let me remove the after hours on here. So I just go to display extended hours and go to 5 minutes chart. Here we go. Let's zoom in. This is day. So on this candle here, 10 minutes to the close. We're not counting the extra 15 minutes after hours, as you know, that's the ETF trading into, right? You could have gotten this as low as 6 cents, at the close at 16 cents. The high was 28 cents, but look how far they went, 65 cents, folks. This is what the market makers have been doing lately. So meaning definitely patience into SPY, and the money is to be made on there by using our nice strategy on SPY. Let's us, because we talked about it this morning, let us go and look at the chart of SPY, the daily chart of SPY, and QQQ quickly on here to see what's transpiring here. I mean, not a big move on today, right? The candle, the daily candle, it's tiny. But this is what for us we have been watching. Since December, when was this? December the 10th or so, the crossover of the MACD below its signal. So we have had that all along, and it has just been playing out. The price is not moving much, but now the Bollinger Band are tightening up. Yeah, SPY needs to pick a direction on here over the next, like by the end of the year, most likely. Yeah, so this is that crossing that the last 3 times that it did that, we went down. So they are taking the switch time here. Is there a way for me to bring this down? Like, oh no, it's actually this one here. Yeah. So last time, this is the price went to this lower Bollinger. I mean, coming to this lower Bollinger is just a matter of time. I'm not sure if it's actually going to be 362, but this is what transpired on this one. This is what transpired on the second one here, all the way. And here, it has been almost since December the 10th. The price is still hanging above the EMA 8 and the EMA 20, the green, the yellow and green line respectively on the chart. So we are going to be watching that, because I don't know about tomorrow's half day or anything, but out of this, by Monday somehow we should have a clear idea, up or down. SPY need to tell us which way we want to go. As of now, for us, we have a suspicion of bearishness. So same thing here on QQQ. QQQ has that crossed. Okay, here it is. It's crossing again. It crossed the other way. It crossed here, then it went above, and now we are coming down again. So that's, to me, is just, we're going to get a move here. What I'm saying, a move, at least, let's say on SPY, something more than 6 points, more than 2%. So typically, big move here is 3% or so. I don't know when it's going to happen, but it's bound to happen. Let's go back to and then share this feature that we have been talking about on Webull, the volume. The volume analysis. So this here, this move today, I kept just looking at this one, meaning that Webull here, in terms of the level 2, they take the percentage amount of shares that have been traded at each level. So they provide this from the open. You have this. So for me, the way that I've been using it to specifically, let's say, spot strong support or reversal, right? So as SPY was trading at 369 today, this was there all day long. So 26% of the shares, they were here. So typically the way that it works is it doesn't show it nicely here. Let me maybe pick another stock on here, and then come back to this one, because they will give you a color on there, right? So they will give you red. That means, okay, there was mostly selling at that. Green means they were mostly buying. So there was 4.45% of the shares traded today on JD, for instance, at 85 was mostly selling. So that then you get to see something like this, meaning if the price is further away from it and the majority of the volume is there, you have a chance that it can come back to that price. if it's up or down. If it's down, let's say that price being higher and it's green, it could be reversing on the positive side and vice versa. So today, 77.5 calls. So will you be with us tomorrow morning to see how the market opens and to see if overnight swing strangle on targets, JD, and even IQ? We took a straddle at 17 call, 17 put to see how they go. Until then, have a great evening, have a great afternoon, have a great morning, wherever you're catching us from. Bye-bye.